The Nothing Phone 3 has officially launched on July 1, 2025, positioned as Nothing's first true flagship smartphone with significant upgrades. Key features and specifications. Design and display. It maintains Nothing's signature transparent design that introduces a redesigned rear panel with a new Glyph Matrix. This Glyph Matrix is a micro-LED display made up of 489 LEDs, offering more functionality than the previous Glyph Interface. It can display app alerts, notifications, real-time progress indicators, simple widgets like weather and battery, and even mini-games. The phone features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 4,500 nits. The build includes an aluminum frame, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the back, and Gorilla Glass 7i on the front. It's the first Nothing phone with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Performance. The Phone 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S generation processor, fabricated with a 4nm process. This chipset offers notable improvements in CPU, GPU, and AI performance compared to the Phone 2. It comes in configurations with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, or 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Cameras. Nothing has significantly upgraded the camera system, featuring 4 50-megapixel cameras, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 6x digital zoom, and 60x AI Super Race zoom. This also functions as a macro camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 114-degree field of view, a 50-megapixel front-facing selfie camera. Video recording supports 4K at 60 frames per second across all lenses with full OIS. New software features include flip to record, long pressing the essential key, and turning the phone over to start recording and transcribe audio. Battery and charging. It features a large 5,150 mAh silicon carbon battery, a notable upgrade that allows for a larger capacity in a slim profile. Supports 65-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. Software. Ships with Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15. With Nothing OS 4.0 based on Android 16. Announced for Q3 2025. Nothing promises 5 years of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates. Includes enhanced AI integration into the phone's global search. Pricing. The Nothing Phone 3 starts at $799 for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant. The 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage model, priced at $899. The Nothing Phone 3 aims to be a strong contender in the flagship smartphone market, focusing on its unique design, powerful performance, and improved camera system, all while integrating new AI features and offering long-term software support.